Hello children, I hope you all are healthy and safe. I, Miss Kunjan Daswani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, welcome you all to the e-learning classes of English Grammar. Now we will do chapter number 4, that is collective noun. Now the word itself is suggesting us that collective nouns would be something which will be in a group. Okay, so I can say like that. In your book it is written on page number 10. Okay, page number 10 you can see that a collective noun is the name given to a group of people, animals, things or things of the same kind and spoken of as one whole. Okay, so I can call them as that it's the name given to a group of people, animal, place or thing of the same kind. Then that thing would be called as what? Collective noun. So some examples of collective noun are what? A bouquet of flowers, right? You can see bouquet is suggesting bouquet is not having one flower only, it's having more than one flowers, and that is what these more than one flowers are being represented by one word, that is bouquet, which is what? It's telling us about the name of a group of things, right? So this is what? A collective noun. Okay, so bouquet is what? A collective noun. One more example is there, a team of players. So team is again representing what? The number of players in that group. Okay, so team is again a collective noun. Now moving to the exercise of this chapter, the first exercise, you can see it on page number 10 only. Exercise number 8, complete the phrases with collective nouns, and the some of the collective nouns are given in the help box also. Like you have to use these collective nouns only, like gang, class, cluster, army, swarm, shoal, bunch, choir. So these are the words that are given in the help box, and you need to complete the phrases with the help of these words only, these collective nouns only. Okay, so the first exercise, first sentence, that is a dash of students. What is there of students? What would be from the help box? The suitable answer would be class. Okay, so a class of students, right? So class would be the answer. Okay, now the second one, a dash of robbers. Okay, so from the help box the answer would be gang. Okay, gang of robbers. Now moving to the next exercise of this chapter, only, that is exercise number C. Okay, so C exercise is what? Fill in the blanks with appropriate collective nouns, and that some collective nouns are already given into us to in the box. It is already given in the box, that is crew, collection, herd, bundle, team, pack, swarm or committee. So these are some collective nouns that we need to use in the below sentences. Okay, so Mr. Soni has a large dash of stamps. So the most suitable collective noun for this sentence would be collection. Okay, so the answer for the first one would be collection. Moving to the another exercise, which is on page number 12. Okay, so page number 12, D exercise, fill in the blanks with the most suitable nouns. Now the collective noun is already given to us in the sentence. Okay, you need to fill it with the suitable nouns now. Okay, some nouns are given with us in the help box, that is X, singers, actors, lions, whales, teachers, drawers and geese. So these are some of the nouns that are given to us in the help box. Okay, so first sentence is a church choir is a group of dash. So choir would be sung by singers only, right? So the answer for D, first blank, would be singers, which we have taken from the help box that was given to us. Okay, that is singers. Okay, now for the rest you can refer to the PDF. If you want to cross check the answers, you can refer to the PDF which will be sent to you with this video only. Stay fit, stay at your home. Thank you.